absolutely love how simple it is to set up, even for first-time users. iPhone 3. I used this eSIM on my recent trip and it was stable. I had internet as soon as I got off the plane, which was extremely stress-free. More valuable for Singapore roaming service compare with my existing mobile phone plan. Recommended. 3 eSIM 1. Day eSIM 61. Singapore is a beautiful country with advanced technology. For this trip abroad, to keep up with this high-tech environment, I chose eSIM as my network connection method. What is eSIM? eSIM stands for Embedded SIM, a digital SIM card built into the device, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card slot. It functions like a traditional SIM card, allowing your device to connect to mobile networks, but without needing to replace the card. You can activate or switch telecom operators simply through settings. Easy to install and use. I was able to connect immediately at the airport and use it without any issues throughout my trip. Number 39, am very satisfied with the quality at this price. I was worried because it was much cheaper than the eSIM I was originally considering, but it was no problem at all. Number 39, cheap and great. Simple, very cheap, fast, easy and simply the best eSIM. I think the reception is very good and it is no problem for stadium concerts. If necessary, I will buy it next time. Very good, nice, easy to install. It was quick and easy to install just by scanning. Number 39, so convenient. For Android, number 39, easy to forget to turn on roaming, so be careful.